How to blur in CapCut. Alright guys, your first step would be to simply import your video. So open up CapCut, tap on new project, and then simply select the video you want to edit. So it goes like this. Just simply head over to the media section of CapCut, click on import here, open up this menu and select a video you would like to import. I'll be going with this, so I'll just click on this and click on open, and it's going to be added. Now all you need to do is just simply drag this down to your timeline. Once you have dragged it to your timeline, head over to effects, and then you could use the search at the top to simply search for blur here. Click on blur, and then drag it and simply add it to your timeline. And then you can use your mouse to drag and make sure it's applied to the video. All right, so once you've done that, you've added the blur effect. You'd notice when you play your video, you would see a blur on that video. All right, now if you want to blur specific areas of your video, you can do that as well by just simply heading over to the blur tool itself. That's the tool here, the effects. Click on it, and then where we have mask, go ahead and click on add mask, and then go ahead and select the rectangle. So make sure your seeker is on the blur itself, and then you can now simply adjust the tool as much as you want. You can adjust the intensity too by dragging this up and down. All right, and if you want to blur the entire background of the video, you can also do that as well by enlarging the mask or just using it without a mask for the duration of your video. All right, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on export at the top right corner and you should be done.